that day when Franklin came to say that all people were the sons of liberty, liberty. 'Cause we are the sons, yes, we are the sons of liberty. Yes, we are the sons, yes, we are the sons of liberty. And that day when Franklin came to say, yes, we are the sons of liberty. We stand for freedom, and we will be united into one. 'Cause we are the sons of liberty. 'Cause we are the sons of liberty. And we won't stand for anything against us. 'Cause we are the sons, yes, we are the sons of liberty.